back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you 6 different ways that you can style your hair, half up and half down. Most of these include wearing scrunchies. I love actually just popping a scrunchie into a hairstyle like this. I just think it makes it look so much more put together and it just looks so cute. You can get so many nice scrunchies at the minute as well. I just think that they just finish off the hairstyle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know your favourite way to wear your hair, or which one of these 6 hairstyles you like the best and which one you would wear. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.